If you need a more useful and versatile tool that can help you take photos from an aerial view or improve your filming, you could simply get yourself a drone. If you aren't familiar with them, they are flying gadgets that can be remotely controlled and are useful for many professional photographers and filmmakers out there. Nowadays, you may see a lot of people using drones for their own pleasure, whether they want to take nice pictures, record videos, or simply have fun seeing the world in a new angle. Drones are also considered a nice hobby to have, whether you need it just for fun or for creative purposes. We've got just a few drones to name for you that you might want to check out. Welcome to Review Nerds YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be reviewing some cool products for you that you might enjoy. Feel free to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated whenever we upload a new video. Also, please like this video and leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. While drones may look appealing to have, most of them may not be suitable for beginners. To buy a drone, you may also have to invest in replacements or other upgrades if needed, such as their batteries or propeller blades. If you're a beginner, it's highly recommended that you start out small, as drone crashes can happen more often than you expect. It definitely takes some practice before owning a more advanced drone and aiming for the sky. Drones can also come with HD cameras for viewing or photo taking, although it's not uncommon that the images or footage may come out less clear than expected. If you're into photography or film, you might want to consider upgrading the camera to an action camera like a GoPro if you're unsatisfied with what your current drone is supplied with. Anyway, this list of the top 5 drones may help narrow down your choices, whether you're a first-timer or merely want a better upgrade. And if you want to learn more about each of them as we walk along throughout this video, you can find their links in the description below. Starting off with number 1, Holy Stone HS720E GPS drone with 4K. This Holy Stone drone is great for those who mostly like to record videos, as it can be switched between 4K with 30 FPS and 1080p with 60 FPS. It uses an EIS anti-shake camera, allowing the video footage to be more stabilized, along with a Sony sensor that helps produce superior image quality. Other than that, the drone is suitable for both indoor and outdoor purposes, and is built with intelligent flight modes, reducing the requirement of needing any manual preparations. You can simply just let the drone fly hands-free and let it do its job of recording videos and taking pictures for you. Or you can give it a point of direction and it will automatically fly there. The drone is also built with brushless motors, which are more powerful but are also less noisy, enabling the drone to fly more stable and faster. It comes with its own carrying bag as well as 2 batteries that can make the drone last for an overall 46 minutes of flight. Number 2, DJI FPV Combo. If you're more into an immersive experience, you can experience a first-person view as a drone with this one right over here. The DJI FPV Combo comes with its own V2 goggles and an intuitive motion controller, allowing you to experience an ultra-smooth and real-time immersive experience of your flight. The drone's ability to record in up to 4K at 60 FPS at up to 120 Mbps allows it to capture fine details and create beautiful footage that will make the flight appear spectacular from your point of view. The video recording can even work at a long distance as far as up to 6.2 miles, thanks to its advanced transmission system. If you're concerned about safety, don't worry. It comes with advanced safety features, including an auxiliary bottom light, a smart RTH feature, fully known as Return to Home, along with low battery alert as well as obstacle sensors, making the drone ensure its safe flight, especially at higher speeds. Number 3, DJI Air 2S Fly More Combo. For photographers and filmmakers out there, you'll probably love to take some good shots with this drone. The DJI Air 2S has the ability to record at 5.4K with 30 FPS and 4K with 60 FPS. It also comes with master shots, allowing users to simply tap to let the drone produce the best images. It's built with a 10-bit D-Log-M color profile, allowing the drone to record up to a billion colors, which will produce vibrant and detailed footage. Other additional features include advanced tracking systems, max video transmission of up to 7.5 miles, as well as environment sensors in all four directions, allowing the drone to safely avoid obstacles, especially in complex scenarios, which will overall ensure its safe flight around the area that it's in. Before we move on to sharing the rest of the drones with you in this video, if you're interested with any of these products that we have already featured so far since the beginning, you can find each of their store pages by clicking through the links in our description. That's where you can find more information and where you can actually buy them. Now let's continue with number 4, DJI Ryze Tech Tello Boost Combo. Beginners, this is your best luck. If you want to try out having a drone, the DJI Ryze Tech is a great starter option and at an affordable price. The mini drone is built with a high-quality image sensor to be able to capture 5-megapixel photos and 720p quality videos. The drone is also great for both indoor and outdoor uses. Its beginner-friendly build makes it easier for you to use, as you can just simply use the remote control to immediately let the drone fly around and play around with it or take pictures or record footage. The package comes with 3 batteries, each offering you a maximum of 13 minutes of flight, which is short compared to the other drones we've featured on this list. But if you're not that into long durations of using the drone, this is a great option to start out with if you're a complete beginner. And lastly, number 5, DJI Mavic 3. For many beginners and filmmakers alike, this drone is highly advanced enough for safety flight measures and professional image quality. The DJI Mavic 3 drone has an omnidirectional obstacle sensor, which you won't have to worry about when your drone is near a potential obstacle during its flight, allowing you more freedom and fun to let it fly around wherever. The drone can last up to 46 minutes overall, which is much longer compared to all other drones. This helps if you want to take as many shots from different angles as possible without having to feel time limited once you set your drone to take its flight. In addition to that, it has a 15-kilometer max transmission range while having a 1080p at 60 FPS live feed, allowing the drone to produce a smooth and stable flight. This drone's definitely ideal for those who like to take aerial footage or photos, or those who want to invest in a sophisticated drone that can fly much safer in range without having to worry about obstacles and other potential accidents. While drones are definitely fun to fly and play around with, it's still a challenging gadget to learn to use. Therefore, it's crucial for drone owners to thoroughly read the instructions, understand how their particular drone is created, and know what parts it might require in the future. If necessary, you may always check out video tutorials and other guides on how to properly use these drones. But other than that, hopefully one of these drones has piqued your interest. If you ever feel like checking out any of them that we've featured, please don't hesitate to check them out in the description below. So that's it for today's video. If you stay this long, consider subscribing to Review Nerds and hitting that notification bell so you won't miss out on our future content. Please like this video, leave a comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video.